Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add blurry background in photo without using any third-party software in Windows 11 computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, say I have two photos. Let me open two photos. So you can see this is first photo with a human object and here is a animal object here, right? So in order to add a blurry background on this photo, what you need to do is just right mouse click on the respective photo or image that you want to edit, and now you will see here open with. Now just select this photos. Now you can see on the above here edit image option, just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here background blur. So if you don't see this option on your respective photos application, then what you can do is just click on this three dot icons and click on this settings and just scroll down below and kindly check the application version. So right now you can see the version here. So if you're using a older version of the photos application on your respective Windows 11 computer, then kindly update it by going to the Microsoft Store application, and after that just open the photo using the photos application and once again click on this edit image icon, and after that you will surely get a background blur option. Now just click on it. Now it's analyzing, so wait for a few seconds. Voila, now you can see here it automatically detected the human object and it has applied a blurry background effect. So you can see, and you can adjust the blurry effects intensity also. Here you can see. So once you are satisfied with your blurry background effect, you can just click on apply, or if you want to do more customizations or selections, then you can just enable this selections brush tool, and now you can select or deselect whatever corrections you want to make. You can increase or decrease the brush size, you can increase or decrease the brush sharpness here also. So once you're done with your selections, just click on apply, and now you can click on this save option and you can save as copy, or you can just save the original copy also. I'll just save as copy right now. So you can see the final output. So you might be thinking if it's gonna work with the animal objects or any other objects or not other than the human objects, right? So let us try with the other photo. Once again open with the photos application. So here we have a animal. So once again click on this edit option and once again click on this background blur option. Wait for a few seconds, it's analyzing. So finally you can see the background has become blue. So now you can increase or decrease the intensity like before again, how much blur background intensity you want to add, and if you want to do more corrections you can just enable this option, and once you're done just click on apply, and now you can click on the save options like before. You can save as copy or you can replace the original files. So this is the final output. So now let us compare side by side. So now you can see the original photo without a blur background and the edited photo with the blur background. So you can see here clearly blurred the background of my respective photo. So by using this inbuilt application named as Photos, you can easily add blurry background in photo without using any third-party software in Windows 11 computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.